غلی پاتې شه، خپله ټوله هڅه وکړه. Stay calm and do your best. Stay calm and do your best. خپل کیڼ طرف ته څمله. Lie down on your left side. Lie down on your left side. هغې زه بیړه کولو ته مجبور کړم. She made me hurry. She made me hurry. دوی زه احتطاب کړم. They knapped me. They knapped me. ما په 8 بجو پورته کړه. Get me up at night. Get me up at night. ما ته یو مثال وښایه. Show me an example. Show me an example. هیڅوک هم ما نشي درولی. Nobody can stop me. Nobody can stop me. آیا ما ته به درس راکړې؟ آیا ما ته به درس راکړې؟ Would you teach me? Would you teach me? دغه ناول ما ستړی کوي. This novel bores me. This novel bores me. Can زه د شطرنج په لوبه کې مات کړم. Can bet me at chess. Can bet me at chess. هغه ما ته نوې جوړه کړه. He made me a new suit. He made me a new suit. ما سره په رابطه کې اوسه. Keep in touch with me. Keep in touch with me. موږ به ټوله هڅه وکړو. We try our best. We try our best. هر څوک ما کته کوي. Everybody puts me down. Everybody puts me down. هغې زه ښکته کړم نه دی. She kissed me not him. She kissed me not him. دغه خبر زه خوشحاله کړم. The news made me happy. The news made me happy. آیا دا زما تصویر ده؟ Is that a picture of me? Is that a picture of me? مهرباني وکړه ما په جریان کې وساته. Please keep me informed. Please keep me informed. مهرباني وکړه ما ته مالګه راکړه. Please pass me the salt. Please pass me the salt. ما هم دننه وشماره. Count me in. Count me in. غږ مې اورې. Do you hear me? Do you hear me? دا زما غلطی نه ده. It is not my mistake. It is not my mistake. ستا خوبونه رښتیا شوي دي. Your dreams how came true. Your dreams how came true. زه ستا د تیر په کیسه کې نه یم. زه د ستا تیر په کیسه کې نه یم. I don't care about your past. I don't care about your past. مهرباني کیسې ته مو دوام ورکئ. Please go on with your story. Please go on with your story. Subscribe our channel for more classes. Thank you.